Day 1, submerged atoll, Western Pacific. It's great to be diving again. I'm anxious to find our sperm whale family and look in on our mother-to-be. I'm also excited to test out Andre's new tech. Ocean X is expecting a huge audience for our first live stream, given how bad things were in this region a few years ago. No pressure though, ready to dive.
Mirai, sperm whales. And they must be your pod because I have a tag signal that is definitely ours. Pushing the waypoint.
On my way. I'm hoping to reconnect with the sperm whale family, whom I have been tracking for years. I'm excited to check in on our mother-to-be.
I think on the map it shows you what you collected and what you haven't. Available to be on the sub. I got all these guys.
Mirai clearly has a fondness for these creatures. She's fallen silent.
Right. Let me finish scanning them all. I still don't see our pregnant mother. Done.
Good. Everything all right?
I am now. Look. Our mommy whale has delivered. Everyone say hi to her beautiful 1-ton baby girl.
Is she okay? Mirai.
Shh. She's nursing. I just wish all of you could be here for 1 second. Amazing. That is the end of our stream. Like, share, comment. Remember, we need you. All of us down here.
Okay. Holy crap, I can walk as her. Doris Spermware Family Culture with Shane Gero, founder of the Dominica Spermware Project.
My name is Shane Gero, and I'm the founder of the Dominica Sperm Whale Project. I've been following the lives of sperm whale families in the Caribbean Sea based off the beautiful nature island of Dominica. I've had the sort of greatest honor to spend thousands of hours in the company of the sperm whale families. And over the last 15 years, we've come to know 30 different families. We know about 10 of those personally. My research focuses mostly on the connection between these families' lives and what they say to each other, and how they succeed in the ocean by living in these small families. They live these rich and complex lives in part of the ocean that we find difficult to even explore. Sperm whale society is matrilineal, meaning it's grandmothers and daughters that will live together for life. The young males live in the family until they're about teenagers, and then they go on this sort of open ocean wander for about 15 to 20 years before they are breeding age. But females will stay together for life. They communally raise and defend their babies, and they live in this sort of community of neighboring families just like we do. Behavior is what you do, but culture is how you've learned to do it. In the same way that we're all humans, but some of us eat with chopsticks and some of us eat with a fork. We're all still eating, but how we've learned to eat is importantly different. The secret for how these animals are surviving are these traditional behaviors, and that's why every calf counts. Every female calf is critically important, and each one of those that we lose so much potential. I think one thing that my research has shown is that our lives are really similar. The values that we have in our families, love your mom, be a good neighbor, learn from your grandmother's experience. And ultimately, life is about the quality of the relationships that you build with those around you, whether you're a whale or not. The secrets that my grandmother learned are helping me to survive now. Ensuring that these grandmothers survive to be grandmothers to share their stories, and ensuring that these babies live long enough to learn them is what's going to enable these animals to be around for a long time.
I think I've already seen this one.
For me, that was
Yeah. Sylvia Early. Meet the legendary Sylvia Early, National Geographic Explorer, Mission Blue founder, and Beyond Blue advisor. Sylvia Early or Sylvia
As a
Earle?
child, I had no idea how important the ocean is. That the great majority of life on Earth is in the sea. That the greatest diversity of life is in the sea. My name is Sylvia Earle. I'm a scientist, an oceanographer, an ocean explorer. I've spent years at sea aboard ships and thousands of hours under the sea. I've seen things others have not. If others could see what I've witnessed, they would know how much the ocean has changed, and they would know why caring for the ocean matters to everyone, everywhere. The ocean is Earth's life support system, generating most of the oxygen in the atmosphere, capturing much of the carbon dioxide produced by human actions. The ocean is the planet's living blue heart. Every creature has a story. Every one, whether you're looking at a little crab, or a starfish, or a shark. If people stayed on the shore and never got underwater, how would we ever know that they have communities, they have faces? Their importance as fellow citizens, as cultures, as amazing creatures that we can learn from. There's a lot of water we now know elsewhere in the solar system and elsewhere in space. But to have a liquid ocean with frozen polar areas, it's taken 4.5 billion years to shape the world in a way that is favorable to humankind. It's taken us about 4.5 decades to significantly unravel systems. No ocean, no life. No ocean, no us.
It's cool. It's like a manta drone that's hard. Take a little shower action. Might like a submarine. Whoa. Dang, is that a shark? What's this? I could drive this shit. Hold on, I don't want to do nothing yet. What's my objective? Post dive briefing with Andre. Yeah, I'm gonna just chill for now. Damn, this is wild though. The handbook. Woman of the Sea. I wonder if, I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese, but mira, I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese, but it's like a lot of American people get Chinese or Japanese sayings or quotes or words tatted on us or on them. I wonder if Chinese and Japanese people do the same with, I guess, the American language. Do they just write like English sayings on them? Power of a Tornates. Alright, well. Can you run in it a bit? Oh. I completely passed all this. Ocean Sense. Oh. Holy crap. It's cool. Okay. Not that many fishies in this game though. What's this? Oh, this is songs that are disabled for streaming. Oh, I guess I could play this one then. That's cool. Cool. No copyright. No problem. Get in that bag, baby. Migration. What else? First female born to the sperm whale family in 5 years. That's what we do, man.
Hello, Mirai. Thanks for checking in.
Hey, Andre.
Nice dive. How are you feeling?
A bit tired, but I can't wait to get back out. Can you believe we found the family on the first dive? And they have a new baby girl.
I know. Well done. Feeling settled in the sub. Has everything tested out?
Tess? I knew I forgot something.
This solo sub test makes me nervous. We're definitely fitting it out with 2 pilots next time.
Are you volunteering?
Well, not if you're choosing the playlist.
Snob. I think Arena was enjoying my tunes quite a bit on the trip out here.
No comment. So, I have something I know you'll want to see. It's what the live stream saw of A12 and her baby. I didn't think you expected her to deliver so soon, though.
I thought she had more time given her weight, but it was hard to know for sure. What's the about?
Just noting her low weight. Also wondering when you'll find the rest of her pod. Maybe they were diving.
I'll find them. Hey, I was thinking we should name the baby whale Andrea. She has your kind eyes.
And my bald head. No, I'm putting her in the sim as A17.
Ugh, you're so sentimental. Hey, where's Arena?
Probably in the head throwing up.
She threw up one time. Why are you being so hard on her?
I just don't like the idea of using priceless expedition time to make pharmaceutical companies richer.
What is going on? They're making me make these tough decisions.
Even if she makes discoveries that save lives.
I never questioned her research credentials.
Besides, you know that all of her findings here will be open to the public. Is she gonna jump on the chat?
She's reading a brief about that deep-sea mining impact study.
Okay, I definitely don't have time to get into that with you. I gotta call my sister.
No problem. Send Ren my best.
I will.
Learn how new technologies are enabling us to see, hear, and track ocean life in entirely new ways.
It's a big ocean. You gotta be able to see what's worth spending your time on.
When I'm down there in a submarine and I'm seeing all these animals, it's always about which one of these is new, which one of these has not been seen before to science.
Why did these animals come here as opposed to there, and where are they going? There are really tangible things that we can do now to start answering some of these questions, but as the technology develops, we can become more and more and more and more sophisticated.
Technology is emerging on all fronts. We're using all this side-scan sonar and hydrophones to map things out. We can use these sound underwater surveillance systems to actually track whales and see them move all around the ocean.
Boom.
There's a new field called environmental DNA, where you just look at the sloughed off cells that are in the water to know who is there.
Oh, the whale shark was just here. Can we follow it? And you sniff the trail of the whale shark's DNA.
How am I going to understand a shark if I'm thinking like an old world primate? We're totally different.
People
It took
are
me several years to look at the eyes, to look at the hardware, to measure the light, and to build the camera, so we could get all these hints into how that shark might be seeing the world. 'Cause it's like a detective story.
I won't say people are crazy for diving with sharks, but man, they gotta know something I don't clearly. You know what I'm saying? Can I go up now though? I wanna go back to the water. Oh, I gotta make more phone calls, bro. I don't wanna talk, man. You ain't talking money, I don't wanna talk. I'm making a call.
Hey, aren't you supposed to be 20,000 leagues under the sea?
I am. I'm calling from the sub.
That's crazy.
Hey, did you show Nana my live stream tonight?
School's great, thanks for asking.
Concert great too? Saw your friend's post.
Ish, girls gotta take a break sometime.
Hey, check this out.
No way. Is that a baby whale?
Mm-hmm. And her very, very proud mother. She delivered early.
That's some view. You're really living the dream.
Thanks.
They didn't even show it.
Okay, not a big deal, but I am taking Nana to get tested for a clinical trial. Some new dementia drug.
Oh.
Why didn't you tell me you signed Nana up for a clinical trial?
It's just an application.
Maybe you should wait until I'm back.
Can't. Starts in a week. I gotta go. Say hi to the whales for me.
Damn, a clinical trial? That's wild. So shit. I mean, I guess I knew those were a thing, but dang, that's wild. Me, Clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies that test a medical, surgical, behavioral intervention in people. These trials are the primary way that researchers determine if a new form of treatment or prevention, such as a new drug, diet, or medical device, for example, a pacemaker, is safe and effective in people. Dang, that's wild though. I mean, I guess if you're on your way out, you know, might as well. Right? I don't know. Wait. How do I dive? Oh.
Day 2, back to the atoll at sunset. The hydrophone feeds are alive with the sounds of whales. Gonna find me some singers. I'm excited to test Andra's new manta drone. Kinda like the Swiss Army knife of stealth drones. I'd love to spend the whole dive hanging out with baby Andrea, but miles to swim before I sleep. Ready to dive.
Take that cursor out of there.
I'm in and okay.
Looking good, Mirai. The Manta drone is ready for its first zoom scan.
Now I get to see why you talk about it so much.
Only the best science for you.
What the heck? There's a million of these guys right here. Oh, butterfly fish. What the heck? Cool. One more butterfly fish. Might as well try to scan all these guys over here. So how do I know when they're not scanned? Those are full. Okay, the ones that don't have full circles are not scanned. Okay. Why did it go to those guys? I want to see the white-tipped shark. Oh, sunlight zone on top. One of the few sharks that doesn't rely on ram ventilation, allowing it to stay perfectly motionless while still pumping water over the gills for oxygen.
Buoy ahead. Bet we'll find some whale vocalizations.
Well, I'm not taking that bet. You always find whales. You'd find them in your bathtub.
What kind of bathroom do you think I have?
trip.
This is a lot of whales.
It's staggering the number migrating through this area.
Hey, don't jinx it.
Hi, Andrea, that's the new girl. What do I do? Observe cultural development of the juvenile sperm by Andrea with her family. Gotta scan these guys. Bye.
It's our sperm whale family again.
The Manta drone will match speed with the creature so you can concentrate on steering it around to find the places you need to focus.
Alright, baby. We won't forget you now.
Scan mother whale.
Andre, can the Zoom scan tell how old the baby is?
Not with any certainty. Why?
Just wondering if she's old enough to hunt by herself. I wondered. She still seems pretty young to go that deep.
Will she be okay alone while her mother dives?
She should follow the pod. Her aunties will babysit while the mother hunts.
Wish I had them when my daughter was born.
Takes a pod.
Nice.
Mirai, why is the baby girl so important to your study?
I'm hoping to follow the baby for years to learn from her as she learns from her family, and hopefully to watch her eventually become a mother herself.
Okay, well, save right there. Save this one. Yes. Alright. That's it, man. See y'all next time. Exit game. Yeah.